Hi students, welcome to Unit 2. This is just an overview on what is required for this week. You want to read, many of you read the history of type required for Unit 1. This week we're going to do pages 12 through 41 in more detail, the anatomy of type as well as scale and size and scale, horizontal and vertical scale. You'll notice I have a few examples of the ransom note that is required for this week. Yes, you're going to be creating a ransom note, and you can create that both by using whatever software program freeware that you wish, or if you already have access to Adobe, of course, by all means use that. Also, I accept cut and paste. If you want to cut and paste and upload a very legible photograph, one that's got a decent amount of lighting, just bring it outside, take a picture that way, and then upload your picture. That would be acceptable for this assignment. Basically, you have the digital textbook resource that I provide. Thinking with type, you would go to letter, review a lot of what is here. That's the same as what is in your textbook as well. And I want you to then feel comfortable with the anatomy of type. The anatomy is discussed both in this video, lynda.com, as well as anatomy of type here. I have a couple different video resources for you. Be sure to look at the instructions, what you're required to do. There is one exercise, it's the ransom letter, which I just mentioned. The forum, you'll want to talk about type crimes, horizontal and vertical scale. I believe that this is found on page 36 for you to refer to, and you might look into horizontal and vertical scale rules in graphic design and see what you come up with, sort of why they might be a crime. I want you to talk about it and then respond to your classmates with feedback. Lastly, there's a quiz this week as well. Spend a lot of your time on the exercise, obviously. That might be fun. I'd love to see you get really clever with the message. Any message is acceptable. Just keep it clean. All right. And that is Unit 2 in a nutshell. Unit 2, typography and layout. We're going to dive into some additional type classifications in Unit 3 next week. So I'll see you in that in next week's unit virtual video. Have a great week, guys.